Integrated squeezing technology. Coway proudly presents JuicePresso's smart extraction system. It helps to squeeze ingredients applying principles of hand mill works with a powerful DC motor. Coway's world-patented technology, smart extraction system, boasts a higher extraction rate. This unique 3-in-1 squeezing system collects juice into the center of the screw and keeps the pulp from the screw. Unlike existing high-speed juicers, JuicePresso squeezes every single drop of juice from the ingredients with slow and thorough screw rotation. JuicePresso's extraction technology that squeezes juice with a powerful motor gives high extraction rate. Extracted juice from JuicePresso has less separation than that of high-speed juicers. This guarantees better look and taste. JuicePresso, it's more than just juice. 3-in-1 integrated squeezing screw and slim design. Coway is the world's first patented integrated squeezing system that does not require to assemble its ultim screw, mesh screen, and brush. 3-in-1 integrated squeezing screw enables simple assembly, and it also solves tricky cleaning problems. Coway achieved design innovation, JuicePresso's compact size, aesthetically pleasing curves, and various options on color decorate your kitchen. JuicePresso, it's more than just juice. Advanced safety. Considering the safety of users, JuicePresso has applied advanced safety technology. JuicePresso is designed to prevent the fingers from reaching the screw by installing a protection layer inside of the juice outlet. Also, the safety sensor automatically stops JuicePresso when hopper is not properly closed or the system is clogged. The feeding tube's hole size is also designed to protect fingers not to go inside easily. Thus, JuicePresso is a premium juicer of advanced safety system that your lovely children can use safely. JuicePresso, it's more than just juice. Silent operation. JuicePresso has greatly reduced vibration and noise level during its operation. JuicePresso is surprisingly quieter than existing high-speed juicers. Low operation noise of 55 decibels makes your kitchen pleasant and comfortable, free from loud noise. JuicePresso, it's more than just juice.